all received the invite we sent you for the WhatsApp group? Yes. Okay, so you can join the group if you want to. Please pass around the attendance. Another thing was that you had to submit the affidavit and declaration forms, you remember? Okay, so it's not, you don't have to submit in every class, but you have to submit in at least one class. Okay, so if you have these forms, you can give them to me, because at the end of the day, they will all be combined together in one office. Okay, so at least we should have one. And also, I've seen that some students submitted theirs without their signatures. And this is Abira. Abira is not here? No. Okay. And who else? You can see anything, right? Okay. Ye kiska hai? Please make sure that you've signed it and filled it completely, right? Okay. Have you signed it and completely? Yes, okay. Yes. Thank you. Have you signed it? Don't leave any blanks. Please complete them. This is Ayman Nadeem is not from this class, right? Okay. Okay, fine. So this is done. We have still not seen anything here. You don't have what? These forms? These forms were sent to students. Where did you get it from? S-Block photocopier also has them. Okay, you can take it from there. Okay, so I have uploaded the recordings as well. So if you missed anything, you can go and check it out. Okay, so I am uploading material to Moodle. Did you guys look at that? Duplicate, extend, second screen only. I don't know. PC screen only. Let's see. Okay, anyway, don't worry. The second thing I wanted to talk to you about was your course outlines. Yes, please. Now, in this case, we know that no, this is not good. Mera band ho gaya. That's the problem. सेकंड थी जो आपको ब्लर लग रही थी. सेकेंड वॉज द वन जो आपको ब्लर लग रही. एक्सटेंड करके देखते हैं एक्सटेंड से क्या होता है. क्योंकि आई हैव टू यूज़ माई कंप्यूटर एंड okay. Yes, you can see it now. This is fine. This is what I was looking for. Okay, you can see this, and I wanted you to see the course outline. Okay, so you have looked at the book. I've given you the name of the book. I've also left it with the photocopier, and I asked you to print the first 2 chapters. So the topics that we are going to, this is a big book, okay. So you don't have to worry because we are not going to cover the whole book. We are only going to cover the mechanics part of the book, okay. So we have identified some topics that we will be covering, and I've also written that in the course outline. I've also discussed that in class. And now I want to make a small schedule, let's say, or a plan of how we want. अच्छा देखो नहीं आ रहा, सिर्फ मेरा desktop आ रहा है और कुछ नहीं आ रहा. So this extend is not good. Duplicate ही है option. I think that's the only option that works. Okay, ये देखो, this is the option. यही वाली है जो काम करेगी. हाँ. Okay, so इसमें I want to make a plan. Like for example, in the outline, I've told you that we have to do homework 1. Okay. This will be chapters 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Then we have to do a quiz 1. Then we have to do homework 2. This is chapter 4 and 5. Then we would like to do a midterm. This is chapter 1 to 6. Then we would like to do homework 3. This is chapter 7, 8 and 9. We can also include 6. Homework 4. This will be, no, let's first do the quiz. So, quiz 2. This will be homework 3 and homework 4. Homework 4 is, let's say, chapter number 10, 11 and 13. And then we have the final exam. Acha, we also have the lab exam, final exam. So this is going to be the plan, okay? Now I would also like to give you some tentative dates when we would be doing this, okay? So I would like to have, okay, how about the homework 1 can be from 14th November, let's say, to 20th November. You know, I will upload this and you can submit it within these days, okay? Then you can have homework 2 and let this be, no, quiz 1. Quiz 1 ki date we have to decide this. Homework 2 date can be 25th November to 4th December, and the midterm can be around 15th of December. I am just writing the tentative dates. Now we are going to confirm these dates looking at the calendar to make sure that it's not a holiday or some other day and all that, okay. So I am just writing some tentative dates right now. Okay, so homework 3 can be on 5th January, 5th Jan. I can give you a few days, let's say till 10th Jan. And homework 4 can be, quiz 2, let's say, is on the 15th of, beta, put on your mask. Okay, so quiz 2 is, let's say, 15th of Jan, and then your homework 4 can be 28th of Jan. This is 15th Feb. Okay, now we have to fill in these dates, okay? What is this? I'm going to disconnect this because it's causing a problem, okay? print screen. Okay. Right. So now let us look at the calendar. Can you please open the FC calendar that's on the website? Please look at that calendar. So you have, in fact the dates are fine, except I want to check 15th of December. Is 15th of December okay for everyone? Is it a holiday to start with? No, it's not a holiday. What day is it? 15th of December is, so it's not good for you because you don't have a class on Tuesday, right? So let's make it 14th of December. Is that okay? Because then you have a class. So 14th of December is fine for you. So let's make it 14th.